Carly! Carly! Sam, Freddy! Come on, I know you guys are mad. How are you going to fight? You don't have to lock the door.
I'm looking for the right door.
I'm sorry you couldn't go to the fight, but...
Sorry. Why'd you not?
I said I made some beautiful!